Do you want to earn $1,000 per day just doing copy-paste work? How can you earn $1,000 with this method, and how can you withdraw it daily after earning these dollars? Then all these details will be in this video. And I give you the first proof in every video that people are making money this way, and you can also earn money. So first of all, let's go to the proof. You have to open a website called Etsy.com. So, after opening this site, you have to create a free account on it. That is, you have to register on it. After you have created an account on it, you simply have to type printable calendar in its search box. After that, there will be many gig shows in front of you. Now you will see that people are just making a calendar and taking different prices. Now there will be a question of many people here that how will we make calendar, so watch this whole video. Then in the next step, I will tell you how to make a free of cost calendar. If you go to the Simply website, you will see that there are a lot of people charging anywhere from $4 to $16 to make a calendar. Here we see this guy who's charging $16 to make a calendar. This guy has 6,777 sales. Yes, if we calculate the earning of this person, by multiplying 7,777 by 16, then he has earned approximately $108,432. So if this person is earning money only by making calendar, then you can also earn. Now how you have to make a calendar? For that, first thing is to open the ChatGPT and write in a 2023 calendar. Then this is you will make the 2023 calendar. You can then go into any photo editing software and create the calendar, and if you want to avoid having to create it yourself, I have a solution for that as well that I'll show you. You can easily make calendar. So first of all, you have to open canva.com and create a free account on it. After creating the account, you have to click on Create New Design. And here you have to write calendar in the search box. After that, in front of you, a number of free templates will be displayed that you can use. You can pick up any free template, then you can customize it to your liking or set it according to what your client will order when you complete it. And that's how you can earn $1,000 daily by making a simple calendar. If you like the video, then like it, and if you want to see new video, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.